Hello friends, I welcome you all to this session on Python programming. So today we will be writing a program to check whether a number given by user is a prime number or not. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divided by either 1 or that number itself. That means the number has to be exactly divided by two numbers. What are those? One number? No, it should not be or. And. Okay, there should be two numbers which divide. If those two numbers divide that number, that is first is 1 and that number itself, then that is prime. So take one example, let's say 3. Is 3 a prime number? Let us check. Is it divided by 1? Yes. Is it divided by 3? Yes. Any number by which it is divided? No. So there are only two numbers and hence it is a prime number. Let's check 10. Is it divided by 1 or what is that? What else is that number by which it is divided? It is divided by 2, it is divided by 5, and it is also divided by 10. So how many numbers in totality divide this number 10? 4. So this is not a prime number. Likewise, let's take 7. It is divided by 1, it is divided by 7. How many? 2. So if a number is divided by only and only two numbers, that is 1 and that number itself, then that is a prime. So can this number 1 be a prime? No, you are right, because it is only divided by 1. So this is divided by only one number, that is 1. So therefore 1 is not a prime number. So let us write the program for it. This is a very simple program. So let's take first n. So int input, enter a number. Okay, then what? Then I have to use a counter for checking that how many numbers are dividing a given number n, and if that count come out to be 2, then it is prime, otherwise not. Okay, so for I in range, so I have to start with what? 1, correct, and go up to that number itself. So if I write n, so it will be 1 less than that number, so I have to use n plus 1. Then if the number is divided by I completely, means the remainder comes out to be 0, then this is a prime number. So sorry, this is basically remainder 0. So I have to do what? Count I have to increase by 1. That's it. And done. What I have to do? Now I have to just check the count. What is the count? So if count is exactly equal to 2, then simply print that this is a prime number, and then copy this also, else print is not a prime number. हो गया, that's it. So I have to have one number, the one which I have to check, then I have to use a counter to count that how many numbers divide that particular number, and then this is the statement which will tell you or which will help you in counting those numbers. That is, if the number is divided by I, then increase the counter by 1. This part is over. Then what? Then if the count is 2, then that is a prime number, else it is not a prime number. Run it, check. 1 is a prime number, is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number, it has to be a prime number. Is 3 a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number. Is 9 a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Is 100 a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Is 91 a prime number? It is not a prime number. Is 73 a prime number? It is a prime number. So it is so simple. So the only logic is we have to check whether a particular number is exactly divided by two numbers. What are those? First is number 1 and second one is the number itself. If that is the case, then that is a prime number. If a number is divided by, if it is divisible by more than two numbers, then that is not a prime number. Simple. So in this lecture, till this point only. Thank you very much for watching it.